People, this is what we got. It's the Smith & Wesson MP9. So we had issues, as you can see. I sanded here, I sanded here, I sanded here, I sanded here. I also had to sand over here. And obviously I'm trying not to mar the surface. Didn't have any issues on the exterior anyway, but it looks like it is seized here, 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 and it had some rust here. I just cleaned up the firing pin area real good. It looks straight. See right through that. So anyway, just about getting there. Thank God.